If you're using Google Ads to promote your business, you know how much time it can take to build out a whole new ad group with new ads. Duplicating an ad can save you time, especially if you want to run similar ads with only minor changes, like different targeting or budgets or keywords. It's a great way to maintain consistency while testing variations. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly copy a winning ad group and then duplicate it, saving you a lot of time. Now, if you don't know who I am or what we do, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and we've helped hundreds of tradespeople get better quality leads, fill up their diary, and grow their business with more profitable jobs. So first of all, create another group by clicking on your campaign. Click on the ad group checkbox, click the edit drop down, and then copy. And now close. Now click paste. Done, and then paste. Google will now start duplicating the whole ad group with all the same ads inside the group. Once it's duplicated, rename the group. We usually call it something related to the new keywords. So for this, let's say car recovery. Now click into new group and delete all of the keywords and put in your new ones. Once you've done this, start editing the ads with your new ad copy and editing the extensions as well. And there you have it. Duplicating an ad in Google Ads is a simple yet powerful tool that can save you time and help you maintain ad consistency while testing variations. It's a must know for anyone running Google Ads. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.